Learning suffixes is an easy way to quickly increase your English vocabulary. This video will explain how to use the suffix ly with lots of examples. Learn how to make new adverbs and adjectives to help you communicate naturally in English. Adverbs with the suffix ly. Clearly. Clearly means in a clear way. The instructions were clearly written in the manual. Finally. Finally means after a long time. Finally, my new computer has arrived. Naturally. Naturally means in a way that shows abilities that one was born with. Trent is a naturally gifted piano player. Slowly. Slowly means in a slow way. Stephen and Ella walked along the path slowly to enjoy the scenery. The noun accident adds the suffix al to become the adjective accidental before we can make the adjective accidentally. Accidentally means by chance, in a way that was not planned. Be careful not to accidentally spill coffee on your white shirt before the meeting. Adjectives that end with y will change the last letter to an I before adding the suffix ly to become adverbs. Easily. Easily means without problems or difficulty. The recipe can be easily followed by even beginner cooks. Happily. Happily means in a cheerful way, with feelings of pleasure. The couple has been happily married for over 25 years. Adjectives ending with ly. Deadly. Deadly means causing or likely to cause death. Did you know that hippos are the deadliest animal in Africa? Lively means full of life and energy, active and enthusiastic. This bar is the liveliest spot in town on a Saturday night. Timely. Timely means happening at exactly the right time. It's important to file your taxes in a timely manner. Visit the blog post that supports this video to learn 67 words made with the suffix ly, plus a free PDF download to review this grammar anytime. Check the link in the description.